In a quiet corner of a city park, where the early morning sun filters through the leaves, a story of incredible kindness unfolds. On a simple wooden bench sits a young boy, his uniform old but immaculate. Beside him, a pair of crutches rests against the wood. He's lost a leg, but as we'll soon see, he hasn't lost his will to dream. He's completely absorbed in a worn-out book, its cover faded and pages frayed. While other children's laughter echoes in the distance, this boy is in his own world, his face a picture of pure determination. He underlines sentences with a focused intensity, a small smile gracing his lips as he reads. His patched backpack tells a story of its own, one of struggle and perseverance. As the dew sparkles on the grass, a man enters the park. He walks with a slow, dignified pace, his jacket adorned with service medals. He's a veteran, a man who has seen the world and understands sacrifice. From a distance, his eyes land on the boy. He pauses, observing the quiet scene. He sees the boy shift uncomfortably, trying to find a better position to read. In that small movement, the boy's pencil slips from his grasp and falls to the ground. He leans over, his body straining as he tries to reach it, a simple task made difficult by his circumstances. The veteran doesn't hesitate. He walks over, his steps silent on the soft grass. He gently picks up the pencil and holds it out. Their eyes meet, the boy's wide with surprise, the veteran's filled with a warm, knowing kindness. A gentle smile spreads across the veteran's face. He asks about the book, and the boy, a little shy at first, begins to open up. He talks about his love for studying, his dream of one day becoming a teacher and sharing his passion for knowledge with others. The veteran listens, truly listens, as the park leaves rustle softly around them. He sees the boy's broken shoe, the worn-out pads on his crutches, and the quiet way the boy tries to hide his discomfort. In that moment, something deep within the veteran stirs. He remembers his own battles, his own losses, and the discipline and hope that carried him through. He begins to share his own stories, not of war, but of resilience. He speaks of never giving up, of finding strength in adversity. The boy hangs on every word, his eyes filled with a newfound admiration. The veteran then gently asks about school fees. The boy's hesitation is all the answer he needs. He admits the financial strain on his family, the daily struggle to keep his dream alive. The veteran sits beside him on the bench, the filtered sunlight creating a halo around them. He knows what he has to do. He quietly offers his help. The boy is stunned. His initial reaction is to politely refuse. He doesn't want to be a burden. But the veteran insists, his voice gentle but firm. This isn't charity. It's an investment. An investment in a bright young mind who deserves a chance. He offers to support the boy's education fully. Tears well up in the boy's eyes, silent tears of overwhelming gratitude. It feels as if the entire park has fallen silent, holding its breath. Then, as if on cue, a flock of birds takes flight, soaring into the sky. The boy can only whisper his thanks, his voice thick with emotion. But the veteran's kindness doesn't stop there. This isn't a one-time gesture. It's the beginning of a life-changing friendship. He becomes a mentor, a guide. He arranges for the school fees to be paid, buys new books to replace the tattered ones, and most incredibly, helps the boy get a modern prosthetic leg. The first time the boy stands on his own, without his crutches, he stands taller, his shoulders back, a new confidence radiating from him. He studies harder than ever before, his grades soaring. His teachers see the transformation, the fire in his eyes burning brighter than ever. Time passes. The veteran visits often, their bond growing stronger with each passing week. The park bench becomes their special spot, a symbol of their unlikely friendship. Word of their story spreads through the community, inspiring others. Soon, the day comes when the boy, now a promising young student, stands before a crowd to give a speech. He speaks of hope, of resilience, and of the stranger who became his hero. He thanks the veteran publicly, his voice clear and strong. In the audience, the old soldier wipes away a tear, his heart swelling with pride. The applause that follows is for both of them, for the boy who never gave up on his dream, and the man who made that dream possible. The sun sets, casting a golden glow over the park. The boy is no longer just a recipient of kindness. He's a beacon of it. Younger children gather around him, inspired by his story. The veteran watches from their bench, a peaceful smile on his face. He found a new purpose, a new mission, in helping this one boy. This story is a powerful reminder that a single act of compassion, a simple moment of connection, can change a life forever. It reminds us that kindness doesn't need a spotlight. It echoes in the quiet moments that restore our faith in humanity. If this story touched your heart, please help us share more meaningful content like this. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.